Muscle Car Corner here at Mecum, Kissimmee 2023 Summer Show. And I'm looking at a beautiful 70 Trans Am Ram Air car. There's a Ram Air 3 engine. Got a little crank up on a little Cobra over there, making some noise. They're getting everything ready for the auction, which starts tomorrow. I'm here to get a leg up on all the cars I like to see without a bunch of people around, so get back on this Trans Am. Love this 70. I think it's one of the best looking Trans Ams ever. The 69 that's sitting next to it is not shabby by any means. This car is really amazing. The way they did the detail on this car, it is just phenomenal. The detail is just where it's at with these restorations. Should be a sticker there inside the door jamb. Wow, see the way that door shuts? That's nice. Just this white with the blue, it's just timeless. I love the Lucerne blue 70s. They're just really hard to find. You don't see too many of them. That color was just, I love Lucerne blue. This car is just amazing though. It's straight. I can't find a flaw on this car, to be truthful with you. Let's take a look up under the engine compartment. Oh yeah, everything's correct under the hood. Correct paint on the core support. No harm, no foul. Aftermarket compressor on it. It is an air car, which is nice. I'll tell you what, this car is put back. It's an amazing, amazing restoration on this. Look at the cowl on it. Somebody just spent a lot of time on the detail on this car. It's phenomenal. That's what it's all about when you do the restorations on this car, is putting it back the way it was. This car is put back a lot better. So I like it. We're going to get to the 69 right next to it. Muscle Car Corner sign out on this 70 TA. Nice ride. Thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you would, please. I appreciate all my subscribers. Follow me. Here's the one next.